Hello, my name is Dustin, and in this tutorial I will show you how to understand the storyboard page and what features it contains. As you can see, we have an already created storyboard where you can see that the characters are very consistent. And now you have several options to change the individual images you see and modify them according to your wishes. So let's take a closer look at one of the image fields. At the bottom right here you have three buttons to choose from. One is the Edit button, which opens an overlay where you have various options to change the image to your liking. I will go into the details of the in-edit in a separate tutorial. Another button you can see below is the Variations button, which is a new addition. When you click on it, the AI will generate a variation of this image in the background that is very close to the image you can already see here. So it won't generate a completely new image, but just a variation of this image, as you just saw. The whole thing has changed slightly, but not significantly. This variation option allows you to make subtle changes to your images. In contrast to the Refresh button, when you click on this button, a new image is generated in the background based on all the information in your scene and shot description and the other camera settings. Of course, this image will still be very close to what you just saw, but it will be redefined in general. As you can see, the image is now redesigned. You can also use the arrows below the image to go back to the original image you had before. This means that you can freely and relaxedly go through your images and see which image you like best during the whole image creation process, and then select it accordingly. Then we have the Upload button at the top, which has also been expanded. If you click on it, you have the option to upload your own image and define it in two different ways. Either you upload an image as a single image upload, which means that the image will be uploaded exactly as you have it on your PC without any changes. The second option, which is brand new, is called Image to Image. If you click on this, you will also be able to upload an image, but it will be used as the basis for adjusting your images in the storyboard. I will explain this feature in detail in a separate tutorial. You also have the option to change the art style of your storyboard in the top right corner. You can click here and change it to your liking. Then save it, and the page will reload briefly, and you can then click on the refresh button on each image to see how the images change to the new style. Of course, you can still change the style again or use the arrows to return to the previous image. Okay, and this is basically how the storyboard page works. You can also take a look at how the in-editing works and how to use the image-to-image feature in separate tutorials.